Good afternoon, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great privilege of mine to address all of you at this 2025 Hong Kong Green Finance Association Annual Forum, themed Navigating Climate Change and Geopolitics, Strategies for Transition. As Asia's premier international financial center, we are here in Hong Kong is uniquely positioned to channel global capital towards a sustainable future. Amid geopolitical complexities, trade uncertainties, and the urgent need for climate actions, our city is poised to lead the green transition across Asia and beyond. Let me reaffirm our role as Asia's leading green finance hub. Last year, our green and sustainable debt market, encompassing both bonds and loans, surpassed $84 billion. Green and sustainable bonds alone reached $43 billion, capturing 45% of the regional market and securing Hong Kong's position as Asia's top-ranked green bond market for 7 consecutive years since the year 2018. To sustain the leadership, we have adopted a 4-pillar strategy in partnership with financial regulators and industry stakeholders, of course, including the one led by Dr. Ma, covering both promoting market development, secondly, fostering financial innovation, thirdly, enhancing sustainability to transparency, and fourthly, nurturing talent and enhancing data. In the coming few minutes, please allow me to elaborate on each of these 4 areas. The first pillar is about market development. Our government sustainable bond program expanded in May last year to cover sustainable on top of green projects, drives the development of sustainable initiatives by the government and also by our green bond market. As of June this year, we have issued approximately 240 billion Hong Kong dollars in terms of green bonds, equivalent in terms of Hong Kong dollar, renminbi, euros, and also US dollars, with tenors ranging from 1 to 30 years. These issuances provide a critical benchmark for other issuers in Hong Kong and the region. The program supports projects across 9 categories, including, for example, renewable energy, energy efficiency and conservation, pollution prevention and control, waste management, and resource recovery, and more. To date, it has funded 116 local green projects. Our annual green bond report, with the 2025 edition due this month, details the allocation of proceeds and also environmental benefits, reinforcing transparency and also credibility. Bond issuance aside, we have also been developing the carbon market. Hong Kong Stock Exchange operates our carbon market called Core Climate, an international carbon marketplace enabling transparent trading of carbon credits to support global net zero transition. It is the only platform offering settlement in both Hong Kong dollar and renminbi for international voluntary carbon credits. By the end of last year, Core Climate have attracted 100 participants. Carbon credits traded on the platform are sourced from certified projects, for example, in forestry, solar, wind, and biomass across Asia, South America, and Africa, aiding governments and businesses in furthering their efforts for low-carbon transition. Hong Kong Exchange has also signed memorandum of understanding with mainland China's carbon markets, including the Beijing and Shenzhen Green Exchanges, to share expertise and also foster regional collaboration. Also, Hong Kong has advanced our green finance ecosystem beyond green bonds and also carbon market through development of a local green classification framework. The introduction of the Hong Kong Taxonomy for Sustainable Finance in last year, covering 12 key economic activities, was launched with a view to standardizing green classification, reducing greenwashing risks, and enhancing information for decision makers by investors. We are engaging the industry to expand the taxonomy and will widen the scope of sectors and economic activities to include transition elements and additional sustainable activities, reinforcing our role as a leading sustainable and also transition finance hub. The second pillar is about financial innovation. Innovation is central to our green finance development strategy, and we will inspire more ways to tackle the global problem of climate change. Hong Kong has pioneered the world's first government-issued tokenized green bond and the first multi-currency digital bond. These initiatives demonstrate our leadership in bond markets, green finance, and fintech. Tokenized bonds enable efficient settlement, broaden investor access, enhance interoperability, and also improve transparency and efficiency. Continuing the success of our earlier issuances, the HKMA has preparing our third tokenized green bond issuances, advancing our plans for regularized offerings. To integrate fintech with green finance, we are expanding our green fintech ecosystem, positioning Hong Kong as a regional green fintech hub. The Green and Sustainable Fintech and also Finance Cross-Agency Steering Group updated our Hong Kong Green Fintech Map just this year, providing a comprehensive overview of green fintech companies and services and facilitating adoption and application. Also, we launched the Green and Sustainable Fintech Proof of Concept Funding Support Scheme last year. So just as a show of hands, anyone who knows this program, the POC subsidy program that we just launched? Oh, not many. So I think we need to do more promotion and come to forums like these more often. And these programs actually offered early-stage funding to eligible technology companies and research institutes in Hong Kong. So far, 60 projects have been approved, advancing commercialization and also adoption. As for further innovation in carbon market, the HKMA's project ensemble explores tokenized deposits and also central bank digital currency for interbank settlement, as well as tokenization of real-world assets, including carbon credits via blockchain. We are also exploring collaboration with central bank peers on enhancing transparency and efficiency in carbon credit trading through blockchain technology. The third pillar, after financial innovation, is about sustainability transparency. As sustainable development gains global prominence, ensuring accurate and also consistent sustainability information is critical for investors and also market participants. In December last year, we launched the roadmap on sustainability disclosure in Hong Kong, outlining a clear path for our large publicly accountable entities to adopt the IFRS sustainability disclosure standards by the year 2028. In June this year, the IFRS Foundation recognized Hong Kong as one of the first jurisdictions to commit to fully adopting ISSB standards, underscoring our dedication to transparency in capital markets. These facilitate our informed investment decisions and also promote global capital flows via our trusted market. Also, our stock exchange has introduced enhanced climate-related disclosure requirements based on the IFRS S2 climate-related disclosures, phasing in for listed companies from the beginning of this year. As for the support to SMEs in sustainability reporting, our steering group is enhancing the climate and also environmental risk questionnaire for non-listed companies and also SMEs. Launched in the year 2022, the questionnaire is intended to provide a free and also easy-to-use sustainability reporting template to corporates in need, facilitating their understanding of sustainability performance and also raising their sustainability profiles to lenders, investors, and supply chain clients. Taking into account industry feedback and also latest market development, the steering group is enhancing the questionnaire to make it more accessible and also, more importantly, inclusive. The 2.0 version of this questionnaire will soon be rolled out on the website of the steering group, and please watch out for that. Going forward, we will collaborate with the industry further to promote the usage of this questionnaire. Last but definitely not least, about the fourth pillar, is about all of you, talent and also enhancing data. Building a skilled workforce is essential to advance our green finance development. We launched the Pilot Green and Sustainable Finance Capacity Building Support Scheme for local market practitioners, professionals, students, and also graduates. By July this year, the scheme has the coverage of 95 programs and qualifications, including banking, asset management, insurance, and more, from local and international providers. Over 7,600 applications have been approved, totaling more than 42 million Hong Kong dollars in reimbursements. We will extend the scheme to the year 2028 to sustain our efforts in talent development. And for those who are yet to enroll, please do remember to do so. And finally, it is important for us to enhance investor education and understanding on green finance through better data, equipping stakeholders with analytical tools and also insights for informed decision-making. The steering group has thus launched a data portal containing government data sources for assessing physical risks in Hong Kong, such as historical data on catastrophic damages and also tropical cyclone impact data, like the current one that you are experiencing. We encourage the use of the tools and the technology to enhance data availability and understanding the impact of climate change in Hong Kong. We also hope it will in turn facilitate development of more targeted sustainable finance and also technological solutions enabled by data insights. Before I conclude, I would like to invite all of you to engage in the coming Hong Kong Green Week, our flagship sustainability event. This program fosters collaboration among global stakeholders, and your active participation is vital to shaping a sustainable future. Hong Kong's 4-pillar strategy, as I covered, market development, talent development, tech, and also at the same time use cases, including promoting market development, fostering innovation, enhancing transparency, and also nurturing talent and enhancing data, positions us well to navigate the global challenges of climate change. By driving these initiatives, we are not only maintaining our leadership, but also forging a collaborative, resilient, and also sustainable path forward. In this regard, I definitely look forward to continued collaboration with HKGFA under Dr. Ma, and also I urge all of you to join us in this global endeavor, turning visions into actions for a greener future. Thank you very much.